Dear Minister, dear Vice Minister, dear distinguished guests, first of all, welcome to the summit, Green Horizon Summit. I'm very proud that this topic is so important to everyone, starting from the youth, from the startups, continuing for the industry stakeholders and players, and to academia, research, and of course, policymakers. We already heard the word from the Minister and Vice Minister, how important is the bioeconomy. And why we're doing this in Lithuania? For the first time, it is the satellite event of the Bioeconomy Week in European Union, and we are a part of Bioeconomy Changemakers Festival. This initiative was created by European Commission's DG Research and Innovation in collaboration with Bioeconomy Youth Ambassadors. And I am very proud that in Lithuania, actually, we have a youth ambassador. Ugne Dirdaitė, please stand up, Ugne. She's not here? I think she is being online because today we're going to be connecting live and sending our best regards from Vilnius to the Bioeconomy Changemakers Festival participants in Brussels. So we already heard what bioeconomy is, and it's not quite an easy answer. I can just hope that today, during the discussions, during the dialogues, we maybe will create the new definitions for the bioeconomy and new ideas how it could be implemented in every sector. But to sum up what we heard so far, the term bioeconomy describes everything that we produce with renewable biomass. So maybe some will agree, maybe don't, but that's up to the upcoming discussions. And I would like to underline very important three pillars on which I think bioeconomy could rely to be implemented. First of all, we've been already talking about that's startups. And startup means everyone could be involved as long as you have innovative ideas. And I'm really looking forward today for the startup pitches and to hear those brand new ideas in the innovative minds. The second pillar, that's youth. We talk a lot about the youth. Today we're going to be hearing a lot of discussion on how to help those talents grow, how help them to innovate. And this is very important. And the third pillar, to empower women. Well, I've been talking many times during different events. There is actually a real research done by academia that in order to revive regions, we are facing the problem all across Europe with the region's depopulation. In order to revive them, we need to empower youth and women. So this is very important, again, if we want to see bioeconomy be implemented, we need to empower youth and women. So let's hope we're going to be doing that, and let's hope for the change makers to come into the different sectors. So this summit today, during the agenda, will talk about the development of different policies, about the shifts towards renewable energy and importance of transparent data sharing and the use of advanced analytics. So these are essential steps to discuss, to innovate, fostering global collaboration in bioinnovation. Only through collaboration, we've been hearing that already, it's very important that we can achieve our goals. And as we proceed today with agenda, let us keep at the forefront of our minds the potential outcomes, what we want to achieve today, what kind of steps we would like to underline. So this conference, this summit would be the strong foundation in order to proceed with the bioeconomy goals. And in conclusion, Let us remember that the path to a sustainable future is a long journey. We can embark for this journey only together, and this is very important. A journey requires the inclusion of everyone, the empowerment and leadership. And again, let's remember young talents, let's remember women, and let's unite all of us together in order not only to implement bioeconomy to the different sectors, but also to revive our regions in EU, if we want to see strong EU for the upcoming years through the innovation and the new paths being made. So let's talk today, and let's hope that we are moving towards a brighter and greener horizon. Thank you.